Hey everyone, welcome back to our science experiments. Today, we're going to create a cool 3-layer density tower using common liquids: dishwashing soap, water, and oil. Let's see which one is the heaviest and which one likes to float on top. Here's what you'll need: a clear glass or transparent container, dishwashing soap, water, cooking oil, food color, optional to make it look amazing, a spoon or dropper. Pour a layer of dishwashing soap into the glass. This will be our first liquid. Notice how thick it is. That means it's denser than water or oil. Now take some water. If you'd like, you can mix in a few drops of food color to make it easier to see. Gently pour the colored water with the dropper so it doesn't mix with the soap. See how the water floats just above the soap layer? That's because water is lighter than dishwashing soap. Finally, pour some cooking oil on top using the same dropper. Watch closely. The oil stays on top of both the water and soap. Why? Because oil has the lowest density of all three. Look at our magical density tower. At the bottom, dishwashing soap, highest density. In the middle, water, medium density. On top, oil, lowest density. Even if you shake it gently, they'll separate again after some time because each liquid has its own density and doesn't mix easily with the others. And that's how you can see density in action. Different liquids settle into layers depending on how heavy or dense they are. Try using other liquids like honey or rubbing alcohol to make even more colorful layers. If you like this experiment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun science experiments. See you next time. Thanks for watching us.